This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize all your applications in Launchpad. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way to your dock, navigate to the Launchpad, and now look at your applications that you have, because at the moment nothing has been categorized into a folder, and that's what we are doing today. So the first thing I would do is actually make a folder which has already been made for myself, and I can make a folder by taking an application and then dragging it onto another application, and that automatically makes a folder. So that's very nice. So I can take this out of a folder and put it back onto the Launchpad itself. So I can put everything into this folder, everything that has to do with Adobe itself. So all that is going in one by one. Whoops. And now take this folder to the right hand side, because that's where the other applications are too. So take this back, and now we can name this something of our choice. So the best thing would be to name this as graphics and design. So once that's done, we can leave that there, and now we can see what else needs to be categorized. So we have a lot of applications that start off with I, so I can see iMovie, iBooks, and so we can take that into there. We can also put iTunes into this, and now we can rename this iLife. So we have another folder available. I can also see a lot of web browsers, so put Opera into Google Chrome, take that to the top. And now name this web browsing. Or web browsers. We can also categorize macOS. So take everything from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and now call the folder macOS 2016. Take this to the left. Take the graphics and design to the left too. So now we have it categorized. And we can also have a folder called programming, because we have a lot of text editors. So we have Eclipse, we have gedit, so I can put this into there and name this computer science. Take this to the left, put this here, put gedit in there, and also CyberDuck into the computer science folder. We also have Xcode, which I can move this into computer science. As time progresses, as we download more applications, we can then create more folders, organize our applications, and make the Launchpad look very neat. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.